because wherever they are in our organization, be they are from the corporate customer service or operations, we want to make sure that whatever they do contributes a lot to the bigger picture. So clarity is very important for me. That's one. Number two that I am very passionate about is care. Care because we're in a people first business. And whether it's our employees or our business partners, meaning our associates, they need to be seen, they need to be heard, and they need to be supported. I also advocate here at in our workplace mental health, which is a lot of people in the past disregard mental health, or they just shrug it and they just say, oh, it's so full of drama yung pagkakaroon ng mental health. But no, this is now today's reality, and people should not shun away from it. I don't think that people should also be ashamed of stepping forward to say if they are having any challenges on their mental health or mental wellness. So I'm big on that. And also, again, people here in our workplace know that.